Here's Dr. Thomas Gerber again, Associate Editor of Mayo Clinic Proceedings. In this second part of my monthly multimedia summary, I will tell you about the remaining articles on the front page of our June 2014 issue. First, there is a cluster of articles on the relationship between obesity, fitness, and clinical outcomes. These articles include the commentary, the new AHA-ACC guidelines on cardiovascular risk. When will fitness get the recognition it deserves? By Dr. Jonathan Myers from the Veterans Affairs Palo Alto Healthcare System in Stanford, California. The original article, Cardiorespiratory Fitness and the Paradoxical BMI Mortality Association in Male Veterans, by Dr. Peter Kokinos from the Veterans Affairs Medical Center in Washington, D.C., and colleagues from several U.S. healthcare institutions. The original article, Moderate Cardiorespiratory Fitness is Positively Associated with Resting Metabolic Rate Among Young Adults, by Dr. Robin Shook and colleagues from the University of South Carolina in Columbia, South Carolina, and the Oxford Clinic School in New Orleans, Louisiana, and the original article, Association of Multiple Adiposity Exposures and Cardiorespiratory Fitness to All-Cause Mortality in Men, Cooper Center Longitudinal Study, from Dr. Stephen Farrell from the Cooper Institute in Dallas, Texas, and colleagues from several other U.S. healthcare institutions. A second cluster of articles addresses advances in echocardiography technology and applications. These articles include the original article, Diagnostic Capability of Comprehensive Handheld versus Transthoracic Echocardiography, by Dr. Michael Cullen and colleagues from Mayo Clinic in Rochester, Minnesota, and the original article, Transthoracic Echocardiography is Still Useful in the Initial Evaluation of Patients with Suspected Infective Endocarditis, evaluation of a large cohort at a tertiary referral center, by Dr. Timothy Barton and colleagues from Monash Heart in Clayton, Victoria, in Australia. Also featured on the front page of our June 2014 issue is the review article, Psychiatric Adverse Effects of Pediatric Corticosteroid Use, by Drs. Linda Draudovich and Michael Bostwick from Mayo Clinic in Rochester, Minnesota. Dr. Bostwick is also Mayo Clinic Proceedings Section Editor for Psychiatry. This concludes the second portion of my summary for June 2014.
We hope you found this presentation from the content of Mayo Clinic Proceedings valuable. Our journal's mission is to promote the best interests of patients by advancing the knowledge and professionalism of the physician community. If you are interested in more information about us, our homepage is www.mayoclinicproceedings.org. There you will find access information for our social media content, such as additional videos on our YouTube channel or journal updates on Facebook. You can also follow us on Twitter. More information about healthcare at Mayo Clinic is available at www.mayoclinic.com. This video content is copyrighted by Mayo Foundation for Medical Education and Research.